recycled book project. My name is Rachel, and today I'm going to show you how to be making a recycled book pumpkin. So for this project, you're going to need some book insides that are still bound together, scissors, pencil, an X-Acto knife, your glue gun, and some paint if you want to paint the outside of the pumpkin. So first, you're going to take your book that has been stripped of its spine but is still held together nicely, and you're going to draw a pumpkin shape on it. Now the good thing about pumpkins is that they come in all shapes. So you can do this with almost any type of book, paperback, hardback, any size, depending on what type of size and look you're going for with your pumpkin. The only thing you want to remember is that you don't want too many flat edges, because then it looks kind of weird when it's sitting up together. You can even, cut more if you wanted to, or less, and then make sure you have kind of a wide base at the bottom so that your pumpkin will be able to stand on its own. So once you have a shape that you like, you can start cutting. Be careful when you're cutting. And just peel them away little by little. The good thing about this project is it doesn't have to be perfect edges. I mean, I have seen some perfect pumpkins in my time. I love pumpkin picking and pumpkin decorating and pumpkin carving, and I just love everything with pumpkins. And so I have seen some pretty perfect pumpkins, but I know they don't happen very, very much in real life, so it's okay if ours looks a little crazy. One thing that you'll want to make sure is that you are checking as you go, as you pull some of the pages back. Make sure they're all being cut at exactly or around the same area. And then you'll notice once you get to the end and have it all cut, you'll probably need to take your scissors and trim up, so that when we go to paint, it's all nice and neat. So here we have our book that's going to make a fat little pumpkin. Let's see. Isn't that going to be cute? Alright, I'm going to put away our knife and our scissors, and we're going to get our paint. So if you don't have orange paint, or if you don't have spray paint, you can use acrylic paint. You can make your orange color by mixing red and yellow. And I added a little bit of brown to make it a darker color. I like that deep pumpkin. Oh, that looks perfect. Alright, so now we've got our orange color, and we're going to actually add a little bit of water to make it more of a liquid instead of a goopy paint, so that it will go in actually the inside pages of the book. And make that orange pop out even more. Alright, now I got a good liquid orange. The good thing with it being liquid like this too is that it doesn't take very long to dry. it all covered, you want to kind of go through, especially where the pages are that you've cut, and make sure there's not any pieces that are missing. And from both sides, since it's not 100% lined up. That looks good. So now we can put our paint to the side. And we're gonna get our glue gun. And you can see, even though we just used the paint and with water, it's already drying really well. So we can go ahead and get our page backs together. And I like to put it all the way around the edge and kind of zigzag it in the middle. And then we want that spine edge as well. Fold those over carefully. Pinch that spine together. And there is your basic book pumpkin. Now, then you can go out in your yard and find a stem, or you can make some from paper like I did with this one. I actually found these really cute Post-it notes that are actually leaves and just glued some together, and they worked very cute for the pumpkin. Or you can leave it plain and have a bunch. Hope you enjoyed.